Tabletop issue reporting procedure if adjustments fail. Checking the extension leaf. Gently lift one corner of the extension leaf and check whether its height is level with the main tabletop. If the heights do not align, please document this with photos or a video. Checking the floor. Place a spirit level at the position where the table stands and check the evenness of the floor in both the longitudinal and transverse directions. Checking the tabletop. Place the spirit level on the end of the main tabletop. Then, place the spirit level on the first extension leaf. If the tabletop shows any bending or deflection, measure the deviation at both ends and document it with photos or a video. Checking the extension leaves. Place the spirit level on the first extension leaf. If it bends, measure the deviation at both ends and document it with photos or a video. Repeat the procedure with the second extension leaf. Please send the photos and videos by email to service@qualita.co.uk.